진짜 타투? 진짜 타투?
네.
Gun finna jump for the shit. Out top when I speak, all cap with the speech till they caught up in the rapture. So out of line with the phrase game. Let's take a break, been a long day. Hit your line, what you fall through with the light sticks. Maybe help me spark the ideas.
Hi guys. So today I'm going to be doing the video where, hey, please sit down. I'm going to be doing that video where I turn into an ABG. I guess this is like a trend now. So let's see if I can do it. So I'll just go through the makeup really fast. I'm gonna use this. This is the Bite Changemaker Micellar Foundation. I use L45. So I'm gonna do this kind of blind. I'm -6 in this eye and -6.5 in my left eye. And I know you're probably like, why don't you just get LASIK? I have like a really weird fear of things touching my eye. So LASIK is definitely not something I want to do anytime soon. I feel like I should because the younger you do it, the better, but I hate anything other than myself touching my eye. I can't stand it. I think it's like a lack of control thing. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. Oh, here it is. This one's in black Fill and Fluff from NYX. Ooh, this is like brand new. Usually I use black and brown, so hopefully this isn't too dark. So I know when people do these transformations, they like go all out and they'll be like $1,000 to like transform. Or they'll go like get their eyelashes done and nails done and stuff like that. I just do not have money to do that. Nor do I want to spend it doing that. Oh my gosh, I cannot see. Yeah, I don't have a budget to do that for this video. And I just don't really want to. So this is kind of like a makeshift transformation. I'm gonna do eyeshadow next. And I have this. This is the Romand palette. It's so cute. It's like perfect for traveling. It has very good everyday colors. I'm just gonna take this kind of burnt orangey red one. I'm gonna put this all over my lid. I'm gonna go kind of heavy on the makeup. Sorry, I just wanted to zoom you in a bit. Also, I'm still trying to play around with like camera quality and stuff, but the lighting in my apartment is just very inconsistent, so I apologize if it's not perfect. And then I'm going to take this, this is so hard to do this makeup without my contacts in. I'm gonna take this brown color right here. I'm gonna put that on the outer parts of my lids. I guess this is a ABG for monolids tutorial. Okay, and then I'm going to do eyeliner. Not this one. Yep. This one's from Fenty. This is their new liners, crayon liners, and this one is in a black color. But I was, when you guys were telling me everything about it, ABG, I could not be more opposite. I don't like boba. I hate raves. I also don't really like festivals. I don't even like concerts. I just feel really claustrophobic and hot and I don't know, it's very uncomfortable. I guess those are the things that stood out. I don't have any tattoos. My mom, oh my gosh, I was actually thinking, okay, wait, preface. So my mom, like, you know how a lot of people say,
my mom really doesn't like tattoos, like, blah, blah, blah.
My mom
really doesn't like tattoos.
She's a very understanding woman these days, but if I ever mention a tattoo, she just gets so upset, like the most upset I've seen her in a really long time. Oh my gosh, this is really hard. I'm using the fly liner from Fenty to do a wing. Sorry if you can't see very well. I can't see very well. Okay, and then I'm going to do one last thing with, oh, I couldn't see it. It was on the floor and it was open like this, and this lid is clear. And so my eyes can't really see very well, so I just like smushed all the eyeshadows and I grabbed it. I can tell that the camera quality is not going to be amazing. I'm sorry. Okay, I I guess I'll put in my contacts now, just to make it easier since I'm done with my eyes. So I have these ones from Olens. They're green, and I thought that'd be different from like a light brown, which I usually use because I kind of like the natural looking ones. I can't find the name, but I will link it down below. My eyes are so dark though, I'm not sure how green this is actually gonna look, but we shall see. Hi guys, hopefully it's better now. I asked my roommate if I could use his room because he has the master and the lighting is much better in here. I'm going to do a contour. I have this is the Fenty Into Sun. I really like to use this one. I think it goes well for my skin tone. I do this because Ivan taught me that it is a good way to just, I guess, contour your jawline. I'm also gonna do a little bit under my cheekbones. I used to do this all the time, but I don't really do it anymore. Okay, I'm gonna do blush. I'm gonna use Fresco from Laura Mercier. It's their blush color infusion. It pretty much doubles as like a highlighter because it has like shimmery properties to it. And then I'm gonna put a little highlighter on my nose. And then lashes. I like to do these last because, oops, they just take so long to do. Oh crud, this is really hard. Okay, I think I got it. I'm gonna put the Fenty liner like this because I feel like the fake lash is not blending into my eye very well. Okay, so these are my eyes done. I feel like I did a good job with the eyes. And oh, I wish you could see the green in my eyes more. It actually looks cooler in real life. I'm gonna do lips. I chose a darker lip color, and you guys know this is my favorite. This is the Fenty Mademoiselle in Shoddy. Okay, so this is the makeup done. What do you guys think? I think I could have done a better job on my eyebrows. Like, I know they have like, someone was telling me they have a unique eyebrow shape, but I just cannot be bothered to mess up my eyebrows. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. Okay, you guys, this is awesome. Look at this. So it's like a sticky bra, and then you pull this, and it like squishes your boobs together. I know there's gonna be some creepos probably looked at that clip, but I just really wanted to show you guys that this bra is super cool. These are the pants. This is the top. What do you guys think? I think it looks pretty good. Okay, and then I'm gonna put on these hoops. So I did get some fake tattoos. I saw Michelle do it and it looked really cool on her, but I'm gonna try and do mine different, and I'm not gonna put them on my arm. Ow! These earrings suck. I'm not gonna link these earrings from Yestyle because they are not very good, to be honest. Oh wait, okay, so I actually got this. This is hair extensions. I ordered some from insert name here, but they ran out. So I got this one from like some random Amazon seller. And so it's kind of like their U-clip. Whoa, why is it curly? Oh no. By the way, guys, everything that I've mentioned, I will link down below, but so if I didn't mention something, it'll be down below. But unless I really didn't like it, then I will not link it because I don't want you to buy it and make a mistake. Okay, so I think it's like a color match. It's really good. I'll just have to like curl my hair a little bit. I can't tell what's my real hair. I think just the bottom parts of the fake hair are curled, so I'm just going to do the lower areas I just want to make sure that they all flow together though. So hopefully it looks natural. Okay, I think I am done. I think it blends in okay. I actually left all my bottom strands straight, but I feel like this is so thick you can't even notice. This is actually really good clip. Wow, super easy to use. Okay, so I have my tattoos and I have a lot because Jimmy is going to turn into an ABG. I think that's like, well, that's why I asked on Instagram and everyone said that's the counterpart to ABG. So I'm going to do him and he'll, whenever he's home, I'll do it. But I have this one and I don't really want to do a sleeve. So I might do one like, this looks weird, huh? Maybe like on the side. I'm supposed to put a wet thing on it, right? This reminds me when I was little and we used to put tattoos, like smiley face tattoos on my friends on each other. Whoa! That was so easy! Oh my! Oh my! I also have these ones. They're like tiny little dragons. So I thought it'd be cute if I like put one here or something. Okay. Okay, so I cut out this little dragon guy. I think I should put him like here, right? Ooh. Wait, I look tough. Okay, I'm gonna put on the rest of my jewelry. This is a toggle necklace. Did I ever show you guys this? I can't remember what I've showed you guys, but it will be linked down below. Oh my gosh, when Jimmy gets home. He's actually kind of excited about this. I told him that we were gonna do it, but he just didn't know when, and also he was most excited about this because of the fake tattoos, because he has a real tattoo on his back. My mom is not happy about that. But he has a real tattoo on his back, but he has always wanted to get a sleeve, but he just like doesn't really know how that would look on him. So we can do this as like a practice sleeve. Okay, I swear I'm gonna do the last thing next. I felt like this side was super empty. Okay, I think that looks cool. So the last thing I'm gonna do is nails, because you guys said they have long nails. I didn't want to go get my nails done because that's a lot of money. So I bought these fake ones. Are they press-ons? This stuff is actually super sticky. I don't know how I'm gonna get this off later. I don't wanna do this anymore. I don't like these. Okay, do it for the video, do it for the video. You guys, these nails are awful, but I will wear them for the video. So these are my nails. 엄마 뭐 해?
뭘 하긴 뭘 해, 이거 하지.
엄마 화나지 마.
왜? 너 그거 뭐야?
타투 받았어 오늘은.
진짜 타투?
네, 예쁘지?
진짜 타투?
네.
그 스티커 아니고?
아니야, 스티커 아니야. 이거 봐봐. 장난.
장난이지? 그래, 그렇게 스티커 해가지고 하면 돼. 너 진짜 엄마 지금 5 years 지금 늙었어. 지금 엄마 이거 엄마 하트가 지금 지금 어떻게 해야 되지? 전화를 끊을까? 말을 할까? 소리를 지를까? My brain is really fast 막 working.
Okay, so after I got off the phone with my mom, I took this one off because it actually got stuck to my skin and it hurts so bad trying to get it off. I finally got it off though, but I'm just gonna leave this one empty. I'm going to ask Jimmy when he's gonna come home, see how long I have to keep this on, and then we'll go get boba. together. I actually like am excited because I feel like him and I don't really hang out a lot together these days. Okay guys, so Jimmy got home and he actually saw that my Urban Outfitters package was in the mail, and they're like these sweats. I'll show you guys a better look outside, but they look a lot better with this outfit than the track pants that I had, so I'm just gonna wear these. Jimmy! So I'm gonna turn him into my ABG. Ow, my hair!
Oh my god.
Okay, so ideally I'd like you to wear like a black or like a white like tank, not the one with the flag on it though. Like a black or white tank. Just so like when we do your sleeve, like they could see the tattoo, and then like black sweats or something. This is just like an old black shirt that he has that he doesn't really wear that I'm going to cut. I'm honestly just winging it. We'll see. Look at my DIY crop or tank. Okay, so I got this like dragon tattoo for Jimmy that I'm gonna put on him because he requested a sleeve. Oh, I got it. It doesn't seem like it, but dude, when I did it, I was like, I feel like this isn't working, and then I peeled it off and it looked like this.
That's really good.
Yeah.
I just feel like there's a lot of contours here.
Are you bragging about your muscles?
No, but it's a fact.
Oh, it's a fact that you have good arms.
It's not.
Oh, you know what we forgot to do? We forgot to peel this off.
Fuck. You know what's funny? We did this on Hosspots too.
You forgot to peel the
and
sticker off?
I did the exact same thing.
Okay, take two. This could be my time to take out all my anger on you.
You literally just pulled it down. You just messed up the tattoo.
Ooh.
I don't know if I like the sleeve look on me, but maybe it'll grow on me.
Okay, so these are the rose ones. There's like a lot of these ones. But I think they're all, oh no, they're all different. Sorry, it's breaking.
Oh, that actually looks kind of cool. I like the bicep actually.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What are we doing?
We're getting boba.
Like the ABs would do.
Like the ABs would do?
Yeah. So Jamie's just wearing this top that I just cut because it's an old shirt. And then this necklace is from Amazon? Yes Style. And then these pants are from Fila. And then these shoes are Nike Huaraches.
Yep.
Yeah. And that's basically it. And then the tattoos, again, I will link below. Okay, and then I already showed you guys, but I'm also, all my nails came off, sorry. But I'm wearing this tube top from Urban Outfitters. These pants are from Urban as well. They're just like black sweats. And then I'm wearing these shoes from Nike. They're the Air Force Ones. And then these hair extensions and the tattoos are from Amazon, Club Jewelry, Yes Style. But I already mentioned all that, but ta-da! Let's get one and then share.
Yeah, definitely.
It's so cute. So we got the three brothers, and I'm gonna try it first. Or do you want to try it?
No, you try first.
I don't like tea.
We do this every time.
Okay, but
This is like the 5th time.
I know, but there is one tea that I like. It's called the Dirty Boba at I don't love it, but
No, you don't even like it. She says she's like it, and then when she got it, there's like 3/4 left.
okay, but I drank
Like, it was
one.
so good, and then you gave it to me. It was like full.
Whatever. I got a boba. I've completed the look. Thanks for watching. We hope that you enjoyed. Jimmy, thanks for coming out in public looking like this.
You owe me one.